We have implemented the insert method. The next thing we should do is calculating the height of every node. Because in AVL trees, we have to compare the height of the left and right subtrees of every node and ensure that the difference is not more than 1. This is how we detect that the tree is unbalanced, right? So now, we should go back to our AVL node class and introduce a new field for storing the height of that node. Then, when we insert a new node, here we should reset the height of all the parents of this new node. So we set root.height to max of left and right heights plus 1. This is how we calculate the height of a node, right? We did this in the last section. So after we insert the new node, as a child of this root node, we're going to reset the height of this node. And because we're calling this private method recursively, every time we step out of this method, we'll get the parent of the current node. This way, we can reset the height of all the parents of the new node. Okay, so this is fairly easy. You literally have to add the height field and implement this logic over here. So do this and then run the program using debugger and see how the height of every node gets recalculated after we insert a new node. You're going to see my solution next.